Hi, I'm Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. This quick blast of Theosophy is about elementals and elementaries. The work quoted here is from the section entitled Elementals and Elementaries in William Quan Judge's book Vernal Blooms. This section takes the form of a dialogue between a student and a sage. The student asks, "If I understand you, an elemental is a centre of force without intelligence, without moral character or tendencies, but capable of being directed in its movements by human thoughts, which may, consciously or not, give it any form, and to a certain extent, intelligence. In its simplest form it is visible as a disturbance in a transparent medium, such as would be produced by a glass fish, so transparent as to be invisible, swimming through the air of the room, and leaving behind him a shimmer, such as hot air makes when rising from a stove. Also, elementals attracted and vitalized by certain thoughts may affect a lodgment in the human system, of which they then share the government with the ego, and are very hard to get out." The sage replies, "Correct, in general, except as to their affecting a lodgment. Some classes of elementals, however, have an intelligence of their own and a character, but they are far beyond our comprehension, and ought perhaps to have some other name. That class which has most to do with us answers the above description. They are centres of force or energy which are acted on by us while thinking and in other bodily motions. We also act on them and give them form by a species of thought which we have no register of. As one person might shape an elemental so as to seem like an insect and not be able to tell whether he has thought of such a thing or not. For there is a vast unknown country in each human being which he does not himself understand until he has tried, and then only after many initiations. That elementals may affect a lodgment in the human system, of which they then share the government and are very hard to get rid of, is, as a whole, incorrect. It is only in certain cases that any one or more elementals are attracted to and find lodgment in the human system. In such cases, special rules apply." Later in the dialogue, William Quan Judge speaks on elementaries and makes a clear distinction between these and elementals. Elementaries are not all bad, but in a general sense they are not good. They are shells, no doubt of that. Well, they have much automatic and seemingly intelligent action left if they are those of strongly material people who died attached to the things of life. If of people of an opposite character, they are not so strong. Then there is a class which are really not dead, such as suicides and sudden deaths and highly wicked people. They are powerful. Elementals enter into all of them and thus get a fictitious personality and intelligence wholly the property of the shell. They galvanize the shell into action, and by its means can see and hear as if beings themselves, like us. The shells are, in this case, just like a sleepwalking human body. They will, through habit, exhibit the advancement they got while in the flesh. Please note that all my quick blasts of Theosophy are presented as ideas for consideration. Thank you.